Hi guys, I'm Max and welcome to eCoach PTE. We are an online PTE coaching service dedicated to getting you the PTE mark you always wanted. We have a combination of free online videos, resources, and intensive live classes to help you get to where you need to go. We can help you prepare, plan your study, and give you plenty of inside tips on the marking, coupled with lots of examples. If you stick with us, you should have no problem getting your PTE mark. Over the years, we have helped thousands of students get the mark they wanted, many of whom even got 90. And we've seen students who have struggled so many times, failing repeatedly, and we've helped them to go where they need to be. So no matter what your trouble is, if you feel like it's hopeless, rest assured, we've seen it before, and we can help you out. Me, Michelle, and our team of experienced teachers have more than 5 years PTE coaching experience, which means we are completely prepared and well versed in all of the tiniest details. So no matter what your question is, no matter how tricky the situation, I'm confident we can help you out. So if you want to see more fantastic videos, then definitely like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also check us out on Facebook for more updates at eCoach PTE. And if you're interested in trying one of our online intensive courses, definitely apply quickly because they're going fast. Go over to our Facebook page and ask there for more info.